Hello. Yes, am I audible, Nana? Good evening, Hari, Ranati, Smart Tarun. Yes, Mounishwar, am I audible? Yes, am I audible, Nana? Good evening, Hari, Ranati. Right. So no doubt I am audible. So పొద్దున కంప్యూటర్ ఫార్మాట్ చేయడంలో టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ అన్ని పోయినాయి, మళ్ళీ డౌన్లోడ్ చేద్దాం. సో మీ దగ్గర ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉంటే చూద్దాము. అదర్వైజ్ ఐ కెన్ గో త్రూ డూ దిస్ అండ్ ట్రై దిస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో. Right? So yesterday we learned the definition of sets. The definition of sets. Okay. Yes, Prem, good evening. సో మీకోసం డౌన్లోడ్ చేద్దాం. So just a minute. So I am going to downloading. Textbooks. So 1 minute, Nana. Yes, Kiran, good evening. So here is the answers are there. So no need to answer it. Right. Wait 2 more minutes to download the textbook, because so the first one is page number 26. Identify and write the common property of the following collections. The first one is 2, 4, 6, 8. Second one is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Third one is 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the do these problems, page number 26. Bring back your textbooks and notebooks also to write. Okay. సో నేను డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకున్న బుక్ పొద్దున ఫార్మాట్ లో వెళ్ళిపోయింది నన్ను, అందుకని మళ్ళీ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయాలి. రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ కామన్ ప్రాపర్టీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కామన్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం? There are 2, 4, 6, 8. As already I told that. Yes, Kiran, yes. So in this I am going to download the textbook. Okay. Yes. Here are the textbooks. So I am going to the first one. The first one answer is what, Nana? What is the property in that? I want the answer. So yesterday I told that, I told set. What is the set? Set is nothing but a well-defined collection of objects. A well-defined and ఇంకొకటి కూడా చెప్పినాను నేను మాట. Well-defined collection of objects. So first one property, what is the property? Right now I am downloading this. Please wait. I want the answer from first. Do this problems, page number 26. First, second, third. What is the common property? What is the common property in that? Okay. So what is the page number? 26 kada? So 26. Is it our textbook? 1 minute. Yes, Giravani. Sir, open textbook from self studies. ఆ సెల్ఫ్ స్టడీస్ నుంచి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మనకు చాలా తొందరగా డబ్బులు కట్టమంటాడు వాడు, కాబట్టి వద్దులే. సో రైట్ నౌ ఐ డౌన్లోడెడ్ ఇట్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఐ డౌన్లోడెడ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ అనదర్. ఎస్, ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ విజిబుల్. It is visible, Nana. Sets is visible. So, and also, yes, it is visible, no doubt. It is visible. Okay, right. So see this: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay, already I told that. ఇక్కడ నిన్న రాసినంత మెటీరియల్ రాసుకున్నారన్న. సో నిన్న రాసిన మెటీరియల్ ఎలా ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఫార్మాటింగ్ లో. ఓకే, లెట్ ఇట్ బి. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ at another time. A set is a collection of things that have something in common or follow a rule. So what is the property? Okay, right. So what is the property included in do this? The first one is 2468. So see this. So the first one is 2468. One minute, Nana. Google Ink. Right? So 2468 ఏమైందన్నా? What is the property in that? So see this. I think what is the property in that? 2468. In this, all these are nothing but they are even numbers. They are even numbers. Okay. And also in this 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, this is common property in this. What? Yes, even numbers. So first answer I get. Next, second answer is prime number. Second answer is prime numbers. Third answer is so squares of natural numbers. Squares of natural numbers. Next, fourth answer, January, February, March, April. These are all months in a year. These are all months in a year. And thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Are these a common? Are there a common property in that? Are there a common? Yes. Second one is months, no doubt. Fourth one is. Fifth one is. No, there is no common property in that. There is no common property in that because last is pinky. Last pinky name. So that's why there is no common property. So observe the following collections and prepare as many as generalized statements you can describing their properties. మీ ఇష్టం ఎన్నైనా ప్రాపర్టీస్ మీరు రాసుకోవచ్చు. ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటన్నా ఫస్ట్ 2 మల్టిపుల్స్, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చా, ఇంకా రకరకాలుగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. తర్వాత ఇది 1, 4, 9, 6, 16. They are perfect squares of natural numbers and so on. Perfect squares of natural numbers and so on. This is nothing but a set is a collection of things that have something in common or follow a rule. So ikkada oka rule undi kada, there is a rule. What is the rule in that? All are what is the common property? Already I have taken an example, Maunishwar Nayak's family. So in Nayak's family specifically is there Siddha Nayak, is there Maunishwar Nayak, is there Sharanya Nayak, as already I told that. So just like that we can go through the first do this first problem, right? Snippet ఆడుకో పోయింది నాన్న. స్నిప్పెట్, ఐ థింక్ స్నిప్పెట్ కదా, దాని పేరు స్నిప్పెట్ కదా, కొడుతున్నా స్నిప్పెట్. స్టిప్పింగ్ టూల్, ఎస్, ఓపెన్. ఓకే, ఆడిపోయింది, వచ్చేసింది. ట్రై స్నిప్ అన్న స్కెచ్. ఓకే, వచ్చేసిందిలే నాన్న. రైట్. సో దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, ఓకే. సో దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే కాపీ ఇలా చేయాలి కదా. ఎక్కడికి పోయింది అది స్నిప్ within 3 seconds. So 1 minute, Nana. Just wait 1 minute. సో కొత్తగా వేసిన సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కాబట్టి కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది పెడుతుంది. సో స్నిప్పెట్ ఓన్లీ 1 minute, Nana. ఓకే, లేకపోతే లేండి. సెట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ 5 పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్. సెట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ 5 పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ చెప్దామా ఏందో? ఓకే, సెట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ 5 పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్. మీ దగ్గర టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంది. ఓకే, నేను రాస్తున్నాను. సెట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ 5 పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్. ఓకే, సో మనకు దీంతో పని లేదు కాబట్టి అక్కడ పెట్టేద్దాం. So set up the first five positive integer. Do this page number 27, first problem. Okay. So first 5 positive integers means nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is also a positive. 0 is also an integer, but it is not a positive integer. That's it. Okay. Next. Yes. Second, set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100 and less than 125. Very good sign. Very good sign. Abbas Ali. So 0 is not included. Why? Because 0 is not a positive or neither a positive nor a negative. 0 is not a positive. That's why we cannot include 0. We cannot include 0. Right. Second one, set of multiples of 5 more than 100 and less than 125. So more than 100 means 105, 110, 115, 120, less than 125. Less than 125. So that's it. So 5 multiples in one's place. There is only 0 and 5 only. There is only 0 and 5 only. So that's why 105, 110, 115, 120. So set of first 5 cubic numbers. Set of first 5 cubic numbers. Already Mr. Harigang Sai written that. Very, very good, Anna. Including flower brackets. Including flower brackets. He used flower brackets also. 1, 8. 1 cubed is equal to 8, 2 cubed is equal to, 1 cubed is equal to 1, 2 cubed is equal to 8, 3 cubed is equal to 27, 4 cubed is equal to 64, 5 cubed is equal to 125. These are that. Next, set of digits in the Ramanujan number. Chaptara? Set of digits in the Ramanujan number 1729. Am I right or wrong? Set of digits in the Ramanujan number. Am I right or wrong? So 1729 is the Ramanujan number. And that's it. So 1, 7, 2, 9. 1, 7, right. Next to see. Okay, am I right, Anna? Hari? Next. So sets can be written in two forms. Sets can be written in two forms. What are they? They are roster form. They are roster form and set builder form or characteristic form. Characteristic form. Okay. So so we can say that A is equal to A E I O U. Then we can easily say that A belongs to A. Am I right? And E belongs to A. So if they are in A or if they belong to A, then we can write it as this. Then one does not belongs to A because one is not in A. Because one is not in A. Because one is not in A. Right? Right. So page number 28. Page number, already I told that all the number sets, Z plus, Z0, Z minus, and R minus, and also so many. Right. Next, do this. Some numbers are given below. Some numbers are given below. One minute. Snippet అనేది ఉందా లేదా చూస్తాను. Only 1 minute, Nana. Right. Open file location. Right, Nana. Where is snippet? Into taskbar. Yes. Right. I got it. So only 1 minute. Right. So see this. This is do this. Right. Right. Now I got it. Some numbers are given below. Decide the numbers to which number sets they belong to and does not belongs to, and express with correct symbols. Yes, I got it, Nana. Right. So I think you are visible. You are visible. Okay, right. So I think you all know that n is from 1 to many, and w is when we add this, we got w, and z is nothing but -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, next. So if 1 and n, 1, take 1 and n. What is the relation between 1 and n? 1 is in n, or 1 belongs to n. 1 is in n, or 1 belongs to n. What is the relation between 0 and w? 0 is in w, or 0 belongs to w. We can write it as this. What is the relation between -1 and w? -1 does not belongs to w. -1 does not belongs to w. Okay, so just like that, you can write it as minus. So here, do this page number 28. Page number 28. So some numbers are given below. Decide the numbers to which number sets they belong to and does not belong to, and express with correct symbols. And express with correct symbols. So see this. So see this. 1 belongs to n, and also 1 belongs to w, 1 belongs to z, and 1 belongs to r, whatever it may be. So 1 belongs to that. Okay, and 0 is belongs to w, 0 belongs to z, and 0 belongs to r, 0 belongs to q, and so on. But you can write it as 0 does not belongs to n also. 0 does, yes, Supriya, good evening. Supriya, good evening. 0 does not belongs to n also. Okay, why? Because there is no 0 in it. Why? Because there is no 0 in natural numbers. Next, -4. So -4 does not belongs to n, -4 does not belongs to w, -4 belongs to, sorry, -4 belongs to z, -4 belongs to z. So you can write this. You can write this. You can write it as like this. So belongs to means they are in. Does not belongs to means they are not in. They are not in. So next, 5 by 6. You can easily write it as 5 by 6 does not belongs to n. 5 by 6 does not belongs to w. 5 by 6 does not belongs to z. And 5 by 6 belongs to q. 5 by 6 belongs to r. 5 by 6 belongs to r. Am I right? Okay. I think I am right. So 5 by 6 belongs to r. Yes, Shamant, good evening. Yes. So you got it. So just like that, 1.3 bar. 1.3 bar. I think this is nothing but repeated decimal. Repeated decimal. Okay. So repeated decimal are also rational numbers. Rational numbers. So that's why it is in Q. It is in Q. And it is in R also. And it is in R, real numbers. So rational numbers represented by Q. Rational numbers represented by Q. Okay, real numbers represented by R. And irrational numbers represented by Q dash. Irrational numbers represented by Q dash. Yes, Shaman. Yes, Shaman. Good evening. Right. So next, root 2. Root 2 represents, I think, if it is represented by irrational number, type I or Q dash. If it is represented by, so if it is in irrational number, or if it is in Q dash, right? Y or I. Y means yes. Okay. Root 2. And also log 2. log 2, and also 0.03. 0.03. So I think root 2 is an irrational number, no doubt about it. Log 2 is also irrational number. Okay, 0.03, nothing but rational number, because rational numbers can be written as repeating decimals and non-repeating decimals. Okay, next pi. Pi is also irrational number. Pi is also irrational number. Next, root of -4. It is not in our country. That means it is not in our 10th class. They are root -4. 1 minute. So root -4 can be written as root of -1 into 4. Root of -1 into 4. So -1 is nothing but I square. I square. These are the complex numbers. 4i square. That means plus or minus 2i. These are all in intermediate. These are all in intermediate. So that's why no need to worry. They are not. So we can write easily. -4 does not belongs to n. Minus root 4 does not belongs to w, and -4 root 4 does not belongs to r. Minus root 4 does belongs to complex numbers. That means తెలుగులో అయితే కల్పిత సంఖ్యలు అంటారు. కల్పిత సంఖ్యలు ఆర్ ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్స్ అంటారు. సో ఇట్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్ సి. ఇట్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్ సి. ఓకే, ఇట్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్ సి. దట్స్ ఇట్. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్, థింక్ అండ్ డిస్కస్. కెన్ యూ రైట్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ లిస్టింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ఇట్? కెన్ యూ రైట్ set of rational numbers listing elements in it? Okay, Raicha, can you write? So nothing but other than rational numbers, are irrational numbers. Other than rational numbers are irrational numbers. Okay, other than rational numbers are irrational numbers. Okay, so next, so sets are represented in roster form, and also so I am going to take another snippet. So yesterday I told this is such that, and hold the set represented by x. Okay, so here rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, okay. Next, so these are all roster form and set builder form. Okay, now I am going to take a snippet, new snippet. So new, right? Okay, Control C and Control V. So I think it is visible, no problem. Right? Right, Nana? Right. So list the elements of the following sets. List the elements of the. So see this. Let us observe the roster form and set builder form of some sets. I think it is visible. 1 minute. Okay. Yes, Shamant, yes. So I am late on it. So roster form, set builder form. So as usual, you know that V is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So these are all vowels. These are all vowels. Okay. So these are all vowels. So you have to represent it as X. You have to represent it, the whole set represent it as X such that X is a vowel. X is a vowel. How many vowels are there in English? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels are there in Telugu? Telugu sir is there. Telugu sir is also there. Your Telugu sir is also here. Okay. How many Telugu vowels are there? I think 13. 14. So in Telugu vowels are 14. Telugu. Next, in English vowels are 5 only. Vowels are 5 only. Yes. So here X is a vowel in the English alphabet. X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Okay. So like this you can write this. This is set builder form. This is a set builder form. Okay. Next, X is equal, A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So in this, I think what is the starting element? What is the starting element? -2 is the starting element. And what is the ending element? 2 is the ending element. 2 is the ending element. Yes, very good, very good, very good. 14. Yes, Venkateswar, yes. Maunishwar, yes. Yes, Shamant, yes. So all of you are right. I think I am not up to there because I think 13 are there, but Telugu are told 14 is there. 14 is there. So no. So what is the starting element? -2. What is the ending element? 2. So I think these are all integers, nothing but integers. Integers can be represented by Z. Integers represented by Z. So again you take A is equal to X. So the whole uh, set is going to be defined as like this. So X such that -2. So X is greater than or equal to -2 and less than or equal to 2. So that's why I am going to write this as -2 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 2. And also the condition is X belongs to Z. X belongs to Z. X belongs to Z. So X belongs to Z. Okay. Next, B is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, and 1 by 5. See this, 1 can be written as, so 1 can be written as 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So these are all simple fractions. Okay, simple fractions, simple proper fractions. So, and also in this proper fraction, so all denominators are nothing but they are what? Natural numbers. So that's why they wrote it as X such that X is equal to 1 by Y or 1 by N, whatever it may be, and Y belongs to N. Y belongs to N, and specifically Y less than or equal to 5. Y less than or equal to 5. Y less than or equal to 5. Okay, right. Right, Nana? So next, 2, 5, 10, 17. 2, 5, 10, 17. Okay. See this, just observe it. 2, 5, 10, 17. So 1 plus 1, I am going to write this as 1 plus 1, and 5 as 4 plus 1, and 10 as 9 plus 1, and 17 as 16 plus 1, and 17 as 16 plus 1. See this and observe it. So 1 means 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, and 4 square plus 1, and 4 square plus 1. Okay, 4 square plus 1. So all are natural numbers. All are natural numbers. So that's why I am going to write it as C is equal to, first you have to represent this by x such that x is equal to n square plus 1 or y square plus 1, whatever it may be, y square plus 1, and y belongs to n, and y less than or equal to 4, y less than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 4. That's it. Okay. So these are all nothing but in this I think page number 29. Page number 29. Now list the elements of the following sets. So the first one, all the factors of 20. You know, factors means they are nothing but they are exact divisors of 20. 20 factors means exact divisors of 20. Exact divisors of 20. Okay. So I think the first one is z is equal to. The first one is g is equal to. So every number has 1 and itself or factors. Every number has 1 and itself factors. Next 2. Am I right? Next 4. Next 5. 10. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, comma 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, comma 20. Okay. So the first one answer is this. So page number 29, and don't forget today's date is 7/7/2021. So you have to write it in your notes. You have to write it in your notes. 7/7/2021. Sir said this and this. ఆ విధంగా రాసుకోవాలి. You have to write it. Okay. Right. So next. F is equal to the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61, which are divisible by 7. Which are divisible by 7. Okay. So see this, the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61, which are divisible by 7. Which are divisible by 7. So come on, write it. Okay, Hariganga Sai. Okay, Bhoga Venkateswarlu. Is there any need? Right? Right. So all the factors of 20. Okay, I write the answer also. So F is equal to the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61. The multiples of 4 between 4 and okay. Right. Right. Message retracted. Okay. Right. So I am going to writing this 4 multiples. So 4 multiples are 4 multiples are 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 16, 4 first 1 minute nana అన్ని రాసేద్దాం. So 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20. Next, 4 6 ja 24, 28, 32, తర్వాత 36, 40, 44. Next what? 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, and so on. These are all 4 multiples. Here, the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61. 17 and 61. So that means 17 and 61 means no need to consider this up to 16. So up to 61 means no need to consider this also. No need to consider this also. So there are 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. Of these, 7 multiples are, I think I am going to take another color. 7 4 is 28. Okay, right? Next, next what? 7 8 is 56. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. Okay? Am I right, Hari? Am I right, Hari? So these are all in 28, 56. So the answer is 28, 56. Am I right, Giravani? Maunishwar? So, yes, Venkateshwar, you are right. Next, what is the third question? X such that X is the letter in the word madam. X such that X is the letter in the word madam. So see this. I am going to taking another white color. So madam, M-A-D-A-M. These are the letters. So when 2 times occur, you have to write only 1 time. Okay, as already told that. Yes, Smart Taran. Yes, Giravani. Yes, Prem. Yes. So in this M-A-D-A. Am I right? And this also M-A-D-A. No need to write 2 times A. So that's why M-R-A-D-M. Whichever the order you take. So the exact answer is what is the question? Third question. So third question exact answer is ADM. Third question exact answer is ADM. Okay. Right. Next one. Fourth one. X says that X is a whole number between 3, 5 and 6, 7. 3, 5 and 6, 7, 3.51. Correct numbers. 3.5 and 6.7. 3.5 and 6.7. Okay, see this. X is a whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. So whole numbers are nothing but starts from 0 to like this. So whole numbers are representing like this. So 3.5 and 6.7. So in between 3 rupees half paise, after 3 rupees half paise, there is 4 and there is 5 and there is 6 also. These are the nothing but natural numbers or whole numbers or whatever it may be. So here the answer is going to be 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So Nandu, 3.5. 3.5 means 3 rupee 50 paisa. 6.5 means you have to consider it as 6 rupees 70 paisa. So 3 rupee 50 paisa after 3 rupee 56 57. Does we have that? No. We have only 4 rupees, 5 rupees, 6 rupees. So that's why I write this. So that's why I write this. Nandu, are you understood? Next. So write the following sets in the roster form. Write the follow. So write the following sets in the roster form. Okay. What is the first question? B is the set of all months. B is the set of all months in a year having 30 days. In a year having 30 days. Can anybody give the answer? B is the set of all months in a year having 30 days. So you know, like this, you have to count it. So first one is January. Next one is what? February, March, April, May, June, July, like this. You can count it as. Okay. Sir, 4, 5, 6. No. Set form is like this. You can write it as, Venkateshwarlu, see this. You can write it as like this only. You can write it as like this only. Amen. ఇలా కూడా రాయద్దు brackets. You don't write this also, and you should be right within this curly brackets. Within this curly brackets. Okay. Right. Next. B is the set of all months in a year having 30 days. So 30 days ఉన్న months ఏంటంటే 30 days ఉన్న months. 30 days ఉన్న months ఏంటో చెప్తారా? 30 days February ఉండదు నాన్న. 30 days February ఉండదు. February has either 28 or 29. So 30 days are first. So you can write it as January, February, March, like this, April, May, June, July, and also August, September, October, November, December, like this. So December has 31 days, no need to write this. And also January is also 31 days, no need to write this. So February is 28 or 29, no need to write this. March is also 31 days. So April 30, May is also 31 days, June has 30 days, July 31 days, August also 31 days, September 30, October also 31 days, November 30 days. So how many months are there having 30 days in year? November, September, June, April. So only these are the, so you have to write this as the answer is April. So small letters రాసుకోండి April, June, September, okay, September and November. September and November, like this. January, July are having 31 days. ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నా కదా January 31 days అని. ఓకేనా? I think you are understood. Otherwise, go through the calendar. So next, P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. So the next question is, P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. So smaller than 10, prime numbers are nothing but they have only one and itself factors. So for those, so the first least prime number is 2, second 3, third 5, 7. That's it. So prime numbers smaller than 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. So P is equal to, you can write it as P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. You can write it as P is equal to, very good Hariganga Sai. write it in curly brackets also, Venkateshwarlu. So you also try it. Okay. Next, X is the set of the colors of the rainbow. So what are the colors of the rainbow? They are nothing but Vibziar. Am I right? Vibziar. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Am I right? Okay. No doubt, right here. So కాబట్టి ఏమని వస్తానన్నా వైలెట్ ఇలా రాయాలి వైలెట్ ఇండిగో ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ యూజ్ చేయండి నష్టం లేదు తర్వాత బ్లూ గ్రీన్ yellow orange red. So this is represented X. This is represented as X. So ila notes raskochu ila meer notes raskochu. So you have to bring back yes red orange yellow green blue indigo violet. Right Harikanga Sai, you are so fast. Very nice Nana, very nice. So A is the set of factors. So malli manam first ki ellali. So is there any need to write? Already Mr. Harikanga Sai mentioned in chat box also. Where is Charvika, Pranati, Giravani and also and are there. So try to be active, Nana. Try to be active. So the last one. In this, do this last one. A is the set of factors of 12. Which one of the following is not a member of A? Which one of the following is not a member of A? Which one is A is the set of factors of 12. Which one of the following is not a member of A? Is not a member of A. That means they are not in A. That means they are not in A. And that means they are not belongs to A. So first you can write all the 12 factors. You can write all the 12 factors. One and itself. No doubt itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. So in this, so A is correct. A is correct. Okay. And B is also correct. And C is wrong. And D is also right. So the answer is, I think, Nana, C. Yes. Smart Tarun, Boga Venkateshwarlu, Shamant Nayak, and Pranati, Harikanga Sai. So be active, Nana. Be active. That's it. Ante. నేను అడిగేది అదే. Be active. Okay. So next, try this. Next, try this, Nana. Try this. తీసుకుందామా? రైట్ నానా ట్రై దిస్ తీసేసుకున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? దీన్ని కాపీ చేయాలి లేదా సెండ్ టు ఎక్కడికి పంపించాలి? ఓకే వదిలే కాపీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు పేస్ట్ ఇట్. సో కంట్రోల్ బి అంతే. పేస్ట్ అయిపోయింది నానా. సో ఎలా కావాలంటే అలా చేసుకున్నాం. నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. సో ఇదేం కాదు అలా అయితే. సో 100% ఇలా తీసుకున్నాం. ఓకే. రైట్ సమ్ సెట్స్ of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. Involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. ఏమన్నా రాస్తా ఉన్నానా? Can anybody wrote that? Yes, Boga Venkateshwarlu. Supriya, yes. Prem, yes. So now write some sets of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. algebraic and geometrical ideas. So I'm going to writing the answer for that. Okay, Nana? I'm going to write answer for that. Right? Right, Nana? So algebraic expressions means they are nothing but a square minus b square and a minus b whole. A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. These are all algebraic expressions, am I right? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And also x square minus 16, x square minus 9, and like this. Okay. And x square minus 9 is equal to 0, x square minus 16 is also 0, x square minus 16. These are all algebraic expressions. These are all algebraic expressions. Next, I can write it as like this: x square minus 16 is equal to 0, x square minus 9 is equal to 0, and so on. Next, geometrical ideas. All the quadrilateral set of all quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means they are nothing but four-sided bounded polygon. All the triangles, they are nothing but three-sided polygon, three-sided bounded polygon. And also set of lines passing through a given point. Set of lines passing through a given point. How many lines are passing through this given point, Nana? Can anybody tell? Can anybody tell? How many lines are there passing through that line? They are infinite. They are infinite. That means this is infinite set. This is infinite set. And quadrilaterals, that is finite set. Quadrilaterals, all the quadrilaterals, set of all quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Okay, quadrilaterals. They are finite set, because we know that first quadrilateral is trapezium, second quadrilateral is nothing but parallelogram, third quadrilateral is nothing but what? Rhombus. Next, third square, and fourth not least rectangle, and also kite also. Okay, kite also. Okay, right. Maunishwar Naik, sixth sir. Okay, right, very good, very good, very good. So like this. Next, match roster form. Match roster forms with the set builder form. మీరు ఏం రాస్తారంటే నాన్న, సపోజ్ ఒకటికి, సో ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ PRINCAL. సో ఒకటి ఫస్ట్ మ్యాచింగ్ ఏంటన్నా 1D, am I right? 1D. సో ఇలా మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి, మీరు మ్యాచ్ రాయాలి, లేదంటే ఇక్కడే రాసుకోవచ్చు 1D. నేను ఇక్కడ వైట్తో రాస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, ఇంకొక జన్మమైన రాదా. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇలా చేస్తాను 1D. ఓకేనా? సో వై? బికాస్ in principle, so P is repeating and I also repeating. So that's why you have to write it as P, or I is repeating, that's why I can write it as 1NCAL. PRINCAL. Am I right? Am I right, Nana? Right. Okay. Next, what is the second question answer? What is the second question answer? What is the second question answer? Second question answer. Second is equal to B. Mr. Boga Venkateshwar said that second is equal to B. X is an integer and x square minus 9 is equal to 0. No. Second 0 కాదు నాన్న. సెకండ్ బి తప్పు నాన్న. సెకండ్ బి తప్పు. And 3 is equal to 1. Right, Tarun? Right. Boga Venkateshwarlu. 3, right. Hariganga Sai. 4. 4 వచ్చేసి 4 వచ్చేసి C నాన్న. 4 C కాదు నాన్న. So now I am going to write this first. So first consider this x is a positive integer and is divisor of 18. X is a positive integer and is a divisor of 18 and is a divisor of 18. See this 18 divisors are nothing but from 1 to 3 6 and 18, and also 9 is there, sorry, 9 is there. So that's why third A. Okay nana. Next second, I am going to take x is equal to such that x is an integer and x square minus 9 is 0. So x square minus 9 is 0. So nothing but x square is equal to 9 and x is equal to plus or minus 3. So that's why 4 is going to be B. 4 is going to be B. Next, next, what is the remaining? Remaining is second. So second becomes C. Second's matching is C. Why? Because so x plus 1 is equal to 1. When we put instead of x 0, then 1 is 1. 1 is equal to 1. So just like that. Okay. Right, Sai. So I wrote all the answers. 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. So 1D, 2C, 3A nana. 3A nana. 3 not B. 3A, 4B. 4B. Okay, let it be. 3A, 4B. Right? Okay. Now, is there anything in that? So now, right now, we are going to do exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Okay. సో ఫస్ట్ ఒక్కటే తీసుకుంటానా, ఏమన్నా ఒక్కటే తీసుకుంటాను. సో కంట్రోల్ C or copy. So I'm going to paste it. So okay, is it visible, Anna? I think it is visible. Yes, 3A. Okay, Shamant, Venkateshwarlu. Right. I think it is visible. So exercise 2.1. Okay, which of the following are sets? Justify your answers. So please type the answers. So no need to tell by me of these problems. All these problems. Why? Because you are all well equipped people. Okay, you are all well equipped people. So Vijay Kumar, very good Vijay Kumar. Yes sir. Okay, so మీరు ఎలా రాస్తారంటే, సో విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ సెట్స్, జస్టిఫై యువర్ ఆన్సర్. ఫస్ట్ సపోజ్ ఒక ఎక్కడ సపోజ్ 1 అనేది సెట్ అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం రాస్తారు, 1 అనేది వై రాయండి, లేదా సెట్ అని రాయండి, ఎస్ అని రాయండి. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ లైక్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Already the answer came from Hariganga side. Visible, yes, Shamant. Very good. First, so 1 is yes. Okay, so write it as January, next June, next July. Am I right? So Justify your answer means write like this. Justify your answer means write like this. Okay, Nana? So one answer is like, so yes, this is a set like this. Right. Yes, this is a set. So because if we represent this as A, then A is equal to January, June, July. January, June, July. Next, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Already Boga Venkateshwarlu and Hariganga Sai got the all answers, and Mr. Boga Venkateshwarlu is also got the all answers except 5. So I think I may write it as 10 most talented writers, like first Parchuri brothers, Posani Krishnamurali, Tanikala Bharani, and so on. But some may differ. Some may differ. Modern writers, Trivikram Srinivas and Koratala Shiva, and so on. తర్వాత ఏంటి నన్ను వాడు సినిమా తీసినాడు, ఏదో బాగా ఫైటింగ్స్ సినిమా తీస్తాడు, బోయపాటి శివ, బోయపాటి శ్రీను. So these are all some Mr. Boga Venkateshwarlu told that. So there are differences. So specifically these are in and these are not in. We cannot justify. So that's why this is not going to be a set. So that's why this is not going to be a set. Not a set. Not a set. Okay. So we may not specifically told 10 most talented writers. That's it, the answer. So atlage a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. A team of 3 also no, Nana. 3 also no. Very, 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 very good. So why? Because so మా హయాంలో అయితే మేము గవాస్కర్, కపిల్ దేవ్ వాళ్ళని రాస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు మన వాళ్ళు, మన క్రికెట్ పిచ్చి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా ఇక్కడ, ప్రేము, తర్వాత తరుణ్, తర్వాత మౌనీశ్వర్, వీళ్ళంతా. సో వీళ్ళంతా ఏం చేస్తారు? దే ఆర్ రైటింగ్ యాజ్ కోహ్లీ, బూమ్రా అని రాస్తారు. సో దేర్ ఆర్ డిఫరెన్సెస్. So that's why this is also not going to be set. The collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys in your class. Right? It is a set. Andar పేర్లు రాసేస్తే ఒక సెట్ అయిపోతుంది. Set. The collection of all even integer. It is also a set. So third and 2 is not going to be a set. Third and 2 is not a set. So justify your answer means give examples. Justify. So 3 more minutes is there. 3 more minutes are there. Sorry, 3 more minutes are there. Yes, Venkateshwarlu, you are also cricket fan. Okay. Right. So next, I think first problem is over. So in 2.1, first problem is over. Now I am going to take second problem. మీరే రాస్తారు, నాకు తెలుసు. మీరే రాస్తారు కదనా? నేను చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం రాకపోవచ్చేమో. Okay. So if they are in, you write belongs to between element and set. If they are in, you write it as belongs to. We write 1 belongs to n, no doubt about that. We write 0 does not belongs to n. 0 does not belongs to n. N represented here as natural numbers. So here A is 0246, B is 357, and C is PQR. Then fill the appropriate symbol. Belongs to or not belongs to. మీరు belongs to రాయలేరు కదా, అంత వద్దు కానీ y no అని రాయండి, yn అని రాయండి, yn. So 0 is n in n. So 0 is in n. So that's why I'm going to write it as 0 belongs to A. Next, 3 is in C. కాదు, 3 is not in C. 3 is not in C. And 4 is in, no, 4 is not in B. So that's why we can write it as 4 does not in B. And 8 is in A. No, 8 does not in A. And P is in C. Yes, P is in C. And 7 is in B. Yes, 7 is in B. In and belongs to. in or it can be pronounced as in or belongs to. This is represented as does not in or does not belongs to or does not belongs to. Sir, I am in class, sir. I am in class. Does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Okay. So I think you are understood all the answers. I think you are understood all the answers. Express the following statements using the symbols. Express the following statements using the symbols. ఇక్కడే రాసేస్తానన్న x does not belongs to a. So ఇక్కడే రాసాం కదా does not belongs to. X does not belongs to a means first దానికి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటన్నా x does not belongs to a. Next, D is an element of the set. So is an element or in or belongs to means D is in B. 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. Already రాసినాను. So 1 belongs to natural numbers. Next, 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers. 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers. So that means 8 does not belongs to the prime numbers. So like this, you can conclude that. You can conclude the answer. You can conclude the answers. Okay. Right? Is there any doubts, Rana? Until then, is there any doubts? Are you understand properly? Yes, Shamant. Yes, Shamant. Yes, Shamant. Okay. So I think all of you understood. Yes, I can say no, no doubt. Very, very good. ఇక్కడ మీరు క్లియర్ గా నేను ఒక విషయం చెప్పాను క్లియర్ గా విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ సెట్స్ ఆర్ జస్టిఫై యువర్ ఆన్సర్ మీన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద cause also. You have to write the cause also. Okay. Yes, smart Taran. I think smart Taran, are you understood? Yes, Shamant. Yes, Shamant. I think third problem is also over. So fourth problem is nothing but for true or false. I am taking another 1 more minute. Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Now 1 minute I am going to take. Extra 1 minute now. So extra 1 minute. So extra 1 minute. True or false? That's just like that. True or false? Only true or false. So whether it is true, say 2 T. Whether it is false, say F only. You can write it 1. Only 1. So I am going to take another 1 minute. So 5 belongs to set of prime numbers. 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers. No. It is not true. It is false. Am I right, Anna? Next, S is equal to 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to F. Yes. No, it is also false. Minus 5 does not belongs to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. True. 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. No, it is false. So of this, 3 are false and 1 is true. 1 is true. Am I right, Anna? Giravani? Yes. Giravani, yes. False, false to yes. Shamant Naik, all the answer get. Shamant Naik get all the answers. Very, very nice, Nana. Very, very nice. Shamant Naik is 9th class student. Okay. So I think with this, so with this I am going to concluding today's class. So is it fruitful to you? Is it fruitful to you? ఇది మీకు ఉపయోగకరంగానే ఉందా? So Telugu sir is also here. I am going to introduce Telugu sir, Anil sir. I am going to introduce Anil sir also. ఏదో జస్ట్ తెలుగులో రాయండి. ఒక్క నిమిషం రా, ఫోటోగ్రామ్ ఓకే ఓకే. సో సో నో నీడ్ టు go through the all problems. If you are well enough to understand, just do it as homework. Do it as homework, Nana. Do it as homework. So please go through the dates first. Today is 7th July. You have to write in notebook 7th July, and this is the notes I got from the sir. ఈ విధంగా రాసుకుంటే మీరు చాలా శుభ్రంగా ఇంట్లో ఎలాగైనా కూర్చొని ఎలాగైనా చేసుకుని రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఎవరేం చెప్పినా జూలై 24th వరకు కంటిన్యూస్ గా 10th క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. జూలై 24th తర్వాత వారం రోజులు గ్యాప్ తీసుకుంటానని చెప్పిన, తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇంటర్మీడియట్ 9th రెండు చెప్దాం, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ 9th రెండు చెప్దాం. స్కూల్ ఉన్ని స్కూల్ లేకపోని ఇది కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ఇది క్లాసెస్ కంటిన్యూగా ఉంటాయి. సో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ చెప్తానని చెప్పిన ఇంటర్మీడియట్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా మీరు హాజరు కావచ్చు. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా హాజరు కావచ్చు. ఎస్ అదిదేవ్ సింగ్, I can guide you. I can guide you, Adidev Singh. Supriya. So I can guide you, Adidev Singh. I can guide you. Okay, no problem. I can guide you. Okay. So Supriya, 15th నుంచి ఉండొచ్చు నాన్న, 15th నుంచి ఉండొచ్చు, 15th నుంచి ఉండొచ్చు. అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ 15th నుంచి ఉండొచ్చు. సో కొద్దిగా వెయిట్ చేయండి, కొద్దిగా వెయిట్ చేయండి. సో ప్రేమ్, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆల్సో. సో ప్లీజ్ స్ప్రెడ్ మై ఛానల్ అండ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్. సో జస్ట్ ఎలాగైతే ఈరోజు వెంకటేశ్వర్లు అండ్ మన హరిగంగ సాయి షేర్ చేస్తాను, అలానే మీ గ్రూప్స్లలో షేర్ చేయండి, వాళ్ళు చూస్తారు. ఓకే. సో విత్ దిస్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు concluding today's class. Thank you one and all for joining. Telugu sir is not coming in front of camera. Okay. So maybe tomorrow he comes to in front of camera. Okay. Telugu sir is Anil sir from MCHS main. Okay. So with this I am going to concluding this. So Supriya, mind it from 15th onwards. From 15th onwards. Yes, వెంకటేశ్వర్లు, మీరు అనుకుంటే ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చు. మీరు